Hey guys, this is Greg Sargent. We are in San Antonio, Texas, actually a little north, here with Ryan Davis. We just spent the day marketing, not knocking doors, we knocked one door, and that led us to about 10 warm leads. So anyways, remind me what city we're in. We've been all over the place.
Yeah, we are between Spring Branch and Bulverde.
Yeah, Ryan, you've been about 2 weeks now as the BDM.
Yep, I've gone out for a few days now, so a few days on the ground and the ground running.
Let's just give them a quick idea of what we've accomplished in less than 24 hours. So I did some cold knocking with Adam yesterday. We ran into an attorney who got us involved with the Chamber of Commerce here.
We met good contacts at the Chamber of Commerce. We got a referral to a
you got about 9 over there.
So we got
breakfast next week with the home inspector already set up.
Going to a mixer.
We got a mixer set up with the chamber and their members next Thursday night. We've got a breakfast with the plumbing company next Friday morning. If you notice, we are standing out front of a Starbucks. We just cold called a gentleman that we got referred to by a lead, and just met him at Starbucks. He just referred us over to his wife, who has a home cleaning and commercial cleaning services and new construction cleaning. What else we got here, man?
Got a meeting set up with the home inspector next Wednesday. 8 o'clock.
We met another plumbing company.
Yep,
we got a handyman company. We're going to go.
Another plumbing company at the end of the week next week, so that's positive.
What else you got there? Oh, we met a roofing company and met all 3 people and the office gal. Got some cards switched there with some roofing help. All within 24 hours. So
going to handyman and swapping some cards and stopping by to try to meet the owner if he's there. And
so what was the process that you learned that you probably didn't realize 24 hours ago that we went through here, Ryan, that you think would be beneficial for other guys?
The number one thing is to, when you find that first cold contact, to ask them if they know anyone that, maybe a plumber or whatever it is that you're looking for. And so you're able to utilize that name, and it's not such a cold contact, but you're actually fairly warm. You're name dropping. You're going to be able to help them out, and they're going to appreciate that and respect you a little bit more because you know someone that they know and that they referred you. So that's the big thing. And then it's just it's a never-ending cycle, because you go one from the other, and you keep having people where you could recommend names.
Yeah, so for example, we just met with a septic tank cleaner guy here, and from that point we got not a lot of work that he's going to be able to give us, but we got a new plumber that he recommends, and now that plumber we have a breakfast with next week. Howdy! And we also got the cleaning place person. So we talked to a few people, but every time we go out, we try to recommend and find somebody else who can, be a part of that network. And then the name dropping is what really you've noticed, I think, is the big difference, right?
Yeah, we only had one cold contact, and 10 to 15 contacts were all warm. So it's every one we called after that had a name to go with it.
Yeah, and we didn't get hung up on. We didn't get any rude. We just let them know who used us. And like this guy that we just met up with, we called him about 2 hours ago and said, hey, we'd love to meet you today. Let's get it done now, not in 2 weeks or 10 days, because it won't work. So if you can, you want to drop by as soon as possible. And then the next thing we want to do is make sure we get these guys and gals there. We want to send them work.
Yeah.
We had a roof job just this morning that we could have referred to this roofer. And now we have this roofing guy that we can send him over some roofing repairs. So.
Yep.
Anything else you want to say for other BDMs out there that are knocking doors? And
keep at it. Don't be scared. Go for it. You're just talking to another person. So it's just once you get what you're saying down, you're off to the races.
And sometimes you just need another perspective on how to approach people.
Definitely.
So don't be afraid of it. Reach out to me if you guys need any help. Love to help you with your marketing. Again, we're here in north of San Antonio, Texas, working with Adam Blacklear, Restoration One, and Ryan Davis, and we are looking to get this place pumping, huh?
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.